Hey everybody, so I just wanted to make this quick video because the other day I was watching TV and now that Prime are doing advertising in between the programs, they put on the new Alexa ad where the little girl's in the car and she says to the boy next to her, "Oh, my house is magic," and all the rest of it. And I started thinking about my own Alexa experiences. And I don't know about you lot, but if you have the same frustration, or a new word for it would be Alexatration, yeah, which is Alexa frustration. Can you think of a better word? Because that's all I came up with. But have a look at this.
My home is magic.
Alexa, ask BBC Sounds to play BBC Radio 2 from the 3rd of February at 4:15 p.m.
Playing sounds of the 90s with Fern Cotton from the 3rd of February 2024.
Alexa, good morning.
Alexa, ask BBC Sounds to play Ryland from the 3rd of February.
Playing the Third Degree from the 17th of July 2023.
Every morning it comes to life.
Alexa, ask BBC Sounds to play BBC Radio 2 from yesterday at 4 p.m.
Playing Yesterday in Parliament from the 3rd of February 2024.
It could make things disappear.
Alexa, ask BBC Sounds to play BBC Radio 2 from 4 p.m. yesterday, the 3rd of February 2024.
Playing Friday Night Comedy from BBC Radio 4 from the 2nd of February 2024.
Someone is at the front door.
And it can't show things. It's amazing. You want to trade?
Alexa, why are you stupid?
Playing Oliver Berkman, Why Are We So Angry? From the 14th of November 2018. So yeah, as you can see, my experience is not the same as the little girls, and I think that if Alexa was running my house, that probably nothing would work. So yes, what's your take on it? What's your experience of Alexa? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear about what rest of you are going through, and if you're suffering from Alexatration, or if you've got a better word. All right. So yeah, leave your comments in the comments, and I'll catch you later. Ta-ra.